The landscape of business communication is changing at warp speed. Hybrid work is the new normal, customer expectations are higher than ever, and the sheer volume of digital interactions can be overwhelming. Businesses need more than just a way to talk. They need intelligent solutions that can make sense of the noise, automate tedious tasks, and provide actionable insights. This is where RingCentral in 2025 truly shines. They're not just adding features. They're fundamentally reimagining how we connect, collaborate, and serve our customers. So, let's dive into the core of what makes RingCentral in 2025 so groundbreaking. We'll explore the latest advancements that are set to redefine your workday, streamline your operations, and give you a significant competitive edge. From hyper-intelligent AI to expanded integrations and ironclad security, get ready to see what the future of business communication looks like. First up, let's talk about the undisputed star of the show, artificial intelligence. RingCentral's AI in 2025 is no longer just about basic chatbots or voice-to-text. It's about proactive intelligence that anticipates your needs and elevates every interaction. One of the standout features is the enhanced AI receptionist, AIR. Forget the clunky automated menus of the past. AIR in 2025 is incredibly sophisticated, engaging in natural, human-like conversations to instantly answer calls, handle routine inquiries, and intelligently route complex calls to the exact right person. Imagine your customers experiencing a seamless, frustration-free first point of contact every single time. And it's not just about inbound calls. AIR can also proactively schedule appointments and send follow-up messages via SMS, taking a significant load off your team. Early adopters are already reporting efficiency gains, with some businesses saving up to 50% of the time previously spent on inbound calls. That's hours freed up for revenue-generating activities. Beyond the receptionist, RingCentral's AI is deeply integrated into RingCX, their contact center solution. This means AI interaction analytics is analyzing 100% of customer interactions across all channels: voice, chat, social media, providing a real-time, comprehensive view of customer sentiment. No more relying on limited post-interaction surveys. AI-based CSAT scores are inferred from context and sentiment, giving managers unparalleled insights into customer satisfaction and the factors influencing it. This feeds directly into AI quality management, enabling personalized coaching insights for agents and continuous improvement. And for your customer service agents themselves, the AI Agent Assist is a game changer. This intelligent co-pilot actively listens to customer interactions in real time and offers contextual suggestions, ensuring more accurate, timely, and personalized resolutions. It pulls information from existing company resources, documents, websites, knowledge bases, making sure your agents always have the right answer at their fingertips. We're seeing reported reductions in call handle times by 10 to 20% within the first weeks of use. Similarly, AI Supervisor Assist monitors interactions in real time, identifying potential issues and proactively alerting supervisors with detailed transcripts and concise conversation summaries, allowing for quick, effective intervention. This suite of AI tools means happier customers and more empowered, efficient agents. But AI isn't just for external communications. Internally, conversational intelligence is being leveraged to generate summaries and highlights from recorded internal calls and meetings, creating action items and next steps automatically. This means less time spent on manual note-taking and more time on strategic execution. Imagine instantly reviewing key takeaways from a 2-hour meeting in a concise, AI-generated summary, complete with assigned tasks. That's the power of AI at work in RingCentral 2025. Next, let's talk about integrations. Because even the most powerful platform isn't truly effective if it lives in a silo. RingCentral in 2025 understands this intrinsically, offering a vast and growing ecosystem of integrations that seamlessly connect with the tools you already use every day. Their robust API availability and documentation quality ensure seamless data exchange. A major focus continues to be CRM integration, with deep connections to platforms like Salesforce. The integration with Salesforce, for example, allows users to handle calls, schedule RingCentral video meetings, assign call dispositions, and log conversations directly within Salesforce, eliminating the need to switch between applications. Click-to-call functionality means agents can instantly dial numbers from Salesforce with a single click, boosting efficiency. Advanced call logging, even when offline, ensures no important details are missed. Beyond CRMs, RingCentral is enhancing integrations with a wide range of business applications, from appointment scheduling software that automatically syncs with your RingCentral calendar and sends SMS reminders, to project management tools like Trello, Asana, and Jira, enabling truly unified workflows. This means your communication data flows effortlessly into your business processes, providing a holistic view of your operations and customer interactions. The goal is to eliminate data silos and create a unified, intelligent workflow across your entire organization. And what about security and compliance? In an era of escalating cyber threats and stringent data regulations, this is paramount. RingCentral in 2025 is doubling down on its commitment to providing a secure and compliant communications environment. They've updated and modernized their page designs with increased security measures, and their underlying infrastructure is continuously being fortified. New features like Voice Biometrics Hub are being introduced, allowing for secure and seamless authentication and anti-fraud measures. Imagine verifying a customer's identity with their voice, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. RingCentral's internal AI policy is based on the NIST AI Risk Management Framework, ensuring the responsible and ethical use of AI, with a focus on data governance, record-keeping, and explainability of AI systems. They are committed to continuous evaluation of their AI-enabled products to align with regulatory standards and global best practices, with a strong emphasis on privacy and transparency. Encryption, role-based access, and meeting locks are standard features, enhancing protection against unauthorized access and assuring compliance with industry standards. You can be confident that your sensitive information is safeguarded. Finally, the overall user experience and scalability of RingCentral in 2025 are designed for the modern enterprise. The user-friendly interface minimizes technical distractions, allowing teams to focus on their work. New features like spam voicemail screening on mobile apps give you greater control over incoming calls, allowing you to listen as voicemails are recorded and decide whether to answer, block, or ignore. The ability to rename text groups for improved usability is a small but significant enhancement that improves daily workflows. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.